Nintendo President Shuntaro Furukawa has suggested the company might one day move away from home console development as technology changes. In a recent interview with Nikkei, translated by Nintendo Everything, the recently appointed president, who replaced Tatsumi Kimishima back in June 2018, stressed that flexibility is just as important as ingenuity in the business world, and that Nintendo must be able to adapt as the games industry evolves. Speaking more broadly, he explained the company will always strive to offer people around the world innovative and unique ways to play games. But that might not always mean building hardware like the Nintendo Switch and Wii. We are not really fixated on our consoles. At the moment we are offering the uniquely developed Nintendo Switch and its software, and that's what we are basing how we deliver the Nintendo experience on. That being said, technology changes. We will continue to think flexibly about how to deliver that experience as time goes on, commented Furukawa. It has been over 30 years since we started developing consoles. Nintendo's history goes back even further than that, and through all the struggles that they faced, the only thing that they thought about was what to make next. In the long term, perhaps our focus as a business could shift away from home consoles. Flexibility is just as important as ingenuity. You can hear more from Furukawa by checking out the full interview over on Nintendo Everything. It's well worth a read. The folks Discord snuck in here today at the end of 2018 to announce something. We raised $150 million in another round of funding, led by Green Oaks Capital, the company which the new investment values at $2.05 billion seems to be riding high after the recent full-fledged launch of its own in-client game store, replete with early access system, and an attractive 90/10 share split in devs' favor. It now claims a global user base of over 200 million. Prior investor Tencent also put some money into this funding round, alongside Firstmark, IVP, Technology Opportunity Partners, and Index Ventures. Whether you are just starting out, looking for something new, or just seeing what's out there, the Gamasutra job board is the place where game developers move ahead in their careers. Gamasutra's job board is the most diverse, most active, and most established board of its kind in the video game industry, serving companies of all sizes, from indie to AAA. Here are just some of the many positions being advertised right now. If you are a recruiter looking for talent, you can also post jobs here. Location: Nottingham, England. Avokin Life developer Lockwood Publishing is looking for a Go back-end engineer with experience in Golang, Python, or Java to join its team in Nottingham. The responsibilities for this role include the creation and maintenance of fast, efficient, and reliable back-end microservices to be used by the game client, assisting with the implementation and maintenance of automated testing for both back-end API and services, and creating and maintaining documents required for team members to understand how web services and API function. Location: Hamburg, Germany. Are you bursting with ideas and eager to let your creativity flowing? An inspiring work environment with a friendly atmosphere? Then apply now to become part of our passionate and wildly creative team. Join the studio behind the award-winning Galaxy on Fire series as level designer to create immersive and spectacular game worlds for an upcoming third-person action game for console and PC. Let's do this together. Location: San Mateo, California. The senior technical program manager reports into the platform planning, management, PPM, department's business operations team. and is primarily focused on go-to-market and in-life project management, communications operations around the launch of platform products and features. These projects are typically platform initiatives which vary in scope and subject matter, ranging from incremental feature planning through to the hardware and software releases. The PPM team works with a broad set of internal and external teams, including global counterparts responsible for all aspects of product planning and development in the PlayStation family. As such, the ideal candidate has direct experience of platform planning and are managing projects in a global digital media entertainment environment. Gaming experience interest strongly desired. Location: Seattle, Washington. Valkyrie Entertainment is currently looking for a senior software engineer to join our highly talented team to help us deliver high quality, exciting, and most importantly, fun games. This position seeks a developer with a solid understanding of CS fundamentals and Unity development experience for iOS and Android to write well-architected and performant code, contribute to key technical discussions, and provide senior-level mentorship to team members. Location: Bellevue, Washington. The senior community manager is responsible for directing and conducting day-to-day web and social media interactions with the enthusiasts and fans of Ghost of Tsushima. They will provide world-class personal support by engaging, educating, informing and entertaining our players, while maintaining an ongoing dialogue with the community at large. Whether you are just starting out, looking for something new, or just seeing what's out there, the Gamasutra job board is the place where game developers move ahead in their careers. Gamasutra's job board is the most diverse, most active, and most established board of its kind in the video game industry, serving companies of all sizes, from indie to AAA. Here are just some of the many positions being advertised right now. If you are a recruiter looking for talent, you can also post jobs here. Location: Culver City, California. Heart Machine is a small, deeply motivated and close-knit team located in Los Angeles. Our focus is gameplay that's engaging, fluid and fun, while also building atmosphere through lush art and sound design. We are immensely excited to be creating things we love every day. Our next project is ramping up production, using Unreal 4-inch, a fully 3D gameplay experience. We are looking for talented, passionate, smart and good people to become part of our crew, to help build and shape something ambitious and completely unique from the ground up. As a critical anchor for the project, you will be crafting code for character interactions, API interactions, scripted sequences, combat, environmental interactions, and much more. Help us build something satisfying and fluid while overcoming new and exciting challenges in gameplay. Location: Bellevue, Washington. Soulbound Studios is seeking a few full-time gameplay programmers to join the dedicated team working on Chronicles of Illyria here in Bellevue, WA. In this position, you will be collaborating with other gameplay programmers and designers to bring the innovative new features of Chronicles of Illyria to life. Whether it's dynamic environments, characters that grow old and die, or systems of player-run governments and economies. Here at Soulbound Studios, we believe in pushing the boundaries of innovation to create meaningful gameplay experiences. Location: Los Angeles, California. Fox Next Games, a world-class mobile game development studio, is in search of a new artist to join one of our development teams. We need a strong creative contributor with an exceptional understanding of interface design and mobile user experience. Your passion for games and thoughtful, Intuitive interface design helps to bring engaging experiences to other players and contribute to one of the most visually ambitious mobile experiences ever. Location: San Francisco, California. If you are interested in taking first-person shooters to the next level, Impulse Gear is looking for you. Impulse Gear is seeking a mid-senior animator to help push the boundaries of our virtual reality worlds. Daily tasks would involve the creation of unique character animation, motion capture processing, skinning, developing physics assets, and more. The ideal candidate will have had previous success as a mid-senior level animator, outstanding communication skills, a creative mindset, experience working with Unreal Engine for best animation and physics systems,